Hey there, this is a 1987 GMC Sierra Classic 4x4 short bed half ton. Truck was in California up until the end of 2024. Truck has had one paint job, original two-tone paint, which is Canyon Copper Metallic and doe skin. Truck had zero rust, just a faded truck from California. Underneath is like brand new. I didn't do anything to the bed. I wanted to keep it original. I didn't do a bed liner so it wouldn't hide anything, but very good condition. No rust under the tailgate or anything like that. I did put a tonneau cover on it as well. Tailgate works perfect. Truck does have a 3-inch Tough Country suspension lift with 33-inch tires, BFGs, original rally wheels, dual tanks, all working. Truck is, I did the new seat, new dash, all the old one was just faded and so forth. It is the original carpet, however. I was able to have it cleaned, no rips or tears. Original door panels, dash is new. This is an AC Parondo's tilt wheel cruise control truck. Everything works. I haven't tried the cruise control, but everything else works. This truck has quad shocks up front from the factory. Haven't touched the underneath either. I didn't paint it. I didn't undercoat it. I left it original. Truck has never been even spray bombed with a paint can or anything, but quite nice. New dual exhaust with glass packs. Truck does have, this is an 87, so it is a 350 fuel injected. It is the original motor. Under the hood has not been detailed, but it is all original and quite nice. AC works. Truck has all the original panels. Fenders are original. Just a quick look. All right, well, thanks for looking.